Hey YouTube, Night in the Shadows here, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to upgrade your iPod's firmware to the new firmware and jailbreak it as the new firmware. Now, I opened up iTunes today, and it said that there was a new version of iTunes, 9.0.3. You can all install that, no worries, I installed the new iTunes, but do not update your iPod to the new firmware that's 3.1.3. because you can't jailbreak that. So, and it's exact same thing as 2.1.2, except there's some bug fixes, really not a big deal. So leave it at 3.1.2. Now, the thing is, I've taken a long time to put this video out here because I was waiting for their firmware to stabilize at some point, and it did stabilize at 3.1.2. So I'm going to teach you guys how to get 3.1.2 and then jailbreak 3.1.2. So what you guys are going to do is connect your iPod to your computer. Already done. You guys are going to go on the internet. So, I don't know why this works on Mac and Windows. So anyways, you're going to type in the search bar, Felix runs.d/iPod/firmware/ and enter. And you're going to get something like this. You're going to go down to the part where it says iPhone/iPod Touch. Click down there and you're going to pick your generation. Mine's iPod Touch 2G. And you're going to pick your firmware. As I said, do not get 3.1.3, get 3.1.2. And then you're going to hit download. And the file will come up, download it, save it wherever you want. It's going to take like 5 minutes or something. And this is what it's going to look like. Here, this ISPW file, this 3.1.2. I downloaded it. Yeah, get that. Now what you're going to do is you're going to, as I said, make sure your computer's connected and open up iTunes. Now you're going to hold the shift key and press restore. Now this thing is going to come. Now you're going to go to your file, where it was, iPod stuff, and you're going to double click on this restore file. I'm not going to do it because I already have, as you can see here. And you're going to you're going to click on that, and it's going to restore your iPod to 3.1.2. And once it's restored, you can set it up as a new iPod, or use this. You can transfer all the stuff you had on your old iPod onto it. Now that your iPod is 3.1.2, you can jailbreak it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go on the internet again, and you're going to type in black rain, and it's going to be blackrain.com, but the I in rain is a 1. Now this is what it's going to be, and you're going to see two things: Windows and Mac. Just click on your OS. Mine's Windows. Click on it. You're going to get this, save it, download it, and you're going to get an exe file. There's no installation, it's going to just download as an exe file. Right there, black rain. Put it in wherever folder you want, put it anywhere, and now you're ready to jailbreak, so let's get started. You can minimize iTunes, whatever. Actually, now you're going to open iTunes, exit iTunes, and double click on black rain. Hit run, and you're going to get this black rain jailbreak. Yep, you're going to click make it right. It's going to hit enter recovery. Going to make the connection sound, and your iPod is going to say iTunes and the USB screen DFU mode. The good thing about this black rain jailbreak is that it does everything for you by itself. So yeah, you don't have to put your own iPod into DFU mode or anything like that. It does everything by itself. So we'll let it do it. Running. Your jailbreak is done. Okay, hit there. Here you're going to get this done. Wait for reboot. Your jailbreak is done. Once the device reboots for tethered, run again to boot. If this was somebody, please go to black rain and blah 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 blah. And yeah, you're going to hit OK. And on your screen, on your iPod, you should have like a bunch of iPods and this random painting guy in the background and the small little pinwheel. Screen goes black, and you should then get the Apple logo. Yep, and here it says done waiting for reboot. Let's hit reboot. Yep, see, really simple, really fast. Sound again. It's connecting. iTunes. No. See, do not get the new firmware. It's syncing. See, 3.1.2 firmware. Sync in progress. Let it sync. And it's done. And you go in. And at your you can scroll all the way to your last screen on your iPod, and there will be an application called Black Rain. You go to applications, and I'll show you. Last page, see here, Black Rain, and all you have to do is just tap on it, and from there, it'll say Cydia and Rock, and you can just download Cydia and Rock from there, and then uninstall this Black Rain file. But yeah, that's about it. Simple, you didn't lose anything on your iPod. Easiest jailbreak ever. Yep, so thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.